Hey folks, welcome back. To save time, what I did was I picked two plants, folks. Actually three plants, two Pontiac red potato plants, and I believe those are Kennebec. The third plant will be the Kennebec that I've got those three plants together. Mosquitoes, folks. So to save time, what I did was push some sawdust away. I have not gone down to the base of the potato plant, so we will find out together. I know there are potatoes there, folks, because this method, the sawdust method, has never failed me. So this is where I am, and over here are the tongue of fire shell beans, that whole row there, and there's two rows. These, and there's a kabocha squash. I've got some that aren't looking very good in the center there. And these here are a row of Kennebec. As you can see, the kabocha squash is gone all the way right straight across and almost out of the garden over there. So these are the Kennebec. These are the Pontiac red. And I think 3 or 4 plants, maybe only 3 plants of the Kennebec. So as you can see, right there, the sawdust is where the plants are. Alright, that's probably up to my knee, that pile of sawdust. And as you can see, they're still blossoming a little bit, but I bet I've got potatoes. I bet I've got potatoes, folks. So here is, like I said, I pushed, oh right there, look at that. I pushed the sawdust away. I have not dug down. I didn't want to dig down too much because I wanted us to be surprised together, all right? So if I can hang on to this and tape the same time, I don't know. So here, like I said, this right here is a Pontiac red. Let's just pull it up. So look at that, huh? Look at the size of that. That's a Pontiac red. That's a Pontiac red. Nice size. There's a medium one. So there's 3 nice ones just by pulling up the stalk, the plant. So let's see what we've got down below, if anything. Look at that. Look. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's on this plant here. So let's keep going. Maybe there's not. Yep. Look at that, folks, huh? That's a nice potato. Let's keep going, see if there's any more. I want to stay with this one plant. So, and we're down to the dirt. And let's just push this down out of the way. That looks like all there is to that one plant. So let's see what we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we got one small one, folks. So 5 real nice potatoes, folks. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention where my camera was pointed. Okay, so we've got 5 out of that one, and we just moved this over here. So let's pull this one up, maybe. Looks promising. Got 1, put that over there. 2, looks like we've got some smaller ones on this one. 3, small one. Those will boil up, make a soup. Cut them in half and fry them. So that's all there is to that plant. Now let's dig down in and see if there's any more. I don't want to get into any other potato plant. There's another one. There's another one. I mean, look at the size of that potato, folks. Can you even see it? Look at, I've got big hands. Look at the size of that potato. Look at the size of that Kennebec, huh? Nice, nice potatoes. Nice potatoes. That one's got to be over 4 inches across and probably 5 inches long. Nice potatoes. Nice potatoes. So I decided that I was going to dig up a few more and see what we find. Those look like russets. That's a seed. Let's see what we've got. Nice potatoes. See, once I start digging, folks, I have an awful time stopping. And I've got to, too, because I think I'll stop with this one because I'm going to step on other plants if I don't. And again, these were planted 2 weeks later, 2 or 3 weeks later than the Pontiacs. So I really should leave them alone. And I'm going to. That's the last one. That's the last plant I'm going to dig up right there. So, not bad, folks. Not bad. Those are small russets. Almost lost one. Small russets. Look at the size of those Kennebec. Huh? And they're still growing, folks. They're still growing. So, this is what's happening to some of my squash. See that? I'm going to take that right off. It's not getting enough light and the plant is dying. See that? I know it's hot, but it's just so dry, folks. It's just so dry. So put these in here, and I will share them with friends and family, because it's just too early to harvest them, folks. So they're not going to last. They've got to be cooked up. They've just got to be cooked up. So that's it, folks. That's it. Not bad, not bad, not bad.